What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. If you guys are huge fans of the M4 CSL, you guys know how unique the rear taillights are. But for $7K, some of us just can't justify that price tag. But luckily for you, here at A Concepts Co., we have a cost-effective alternative that won't break the bank. Here they are. All right, guys, so we just finished up with the install. As you guys can see, the rear end looks much better now. These taillights complement the rear end much more than the stock ones. If you guys are interested in grabbing yourself a set, head over to aconceptsco.com. Also, if you guys want us to install, fill out our contact form on our website.